Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system, plug in the device, and make sure SitePusher has admin rights so it can communicate. Once connected, open the app and accept any driver prompts. This is critical because drivers enable data flow. Make sure the indicator LED or pairing icon shows active. If not, reseat the connector. Next, choose the target profile in the app and press Initialize. This starts the handshake and loads baseline settings so you can proceed to configuration. Now you configure the core parameters that determine how SitePusher behaves. You select or create a profile, then set sensitivity, range, and timeout, adjust in 0. 5 increments until responses feel natural. Once done, run the calibration routine and follow the on-screen markers. This aligns sensors and corrects offsets. Make sure to test a few small actions, observe the log output, and note latency or jitter. If you detect drift, repeat calibration with tighter steps to stabilize performance. To finish, save your profile and enable auto start so SitePusher launches consistently. Backup settings to cloud or local storage for recovery. You should run a complete workflow test that mirrors real use, record the performance, and tweak parameters as necessary. If something goes wrong, first check physical connections and power. Then reinstall drivers or perform a factory reset. One key troubleshooting tip: always inspect the error log for codes. Those numbers tell you exactly where communication or calibration failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.